All right, guys, Ryan here, AOCleaning. My hardwood team's at it again. We're sanding a job for a client that booked on the spot a couple weeks ago. We got their deposit, and they reserved their week. And now we're sanding and refinishing their hardwood in Belleville, Illinois, for a realtor that found me online. So he saw my reviews, saw my information, saw my videos, and said, "Ryan, you're the guy." So here we are. Let's go take a look. He bought this property, got a deal on it, and he wants to renovate it and so he can sell it. And he called us to take care of his flooring. More information on that, visit AOCleaning.com or WeCanSaveYourFloors.com. All right, guys, let's check them out. Not saying this yet. All right, guys, a little follow-up. You can see the team, they're sanding this down. Right now, we're changing out the sandpaper, but you can see the difference already, getting all the old stuff off. And the client did decide to go with a walnut, antique walnut stain. So we're gonna sand it, and then we're gonna go put some stain on here, the antique walnut, and then we're gonna poly it, 2 coats of satin sheen, and that's gonna be a wrap, guys. So this is the second day here today. Like I said, we're just smoothing it out, getting all the imperfections out, and then we're gonna go with 2 more grits after that. And then after that, it's ready for stain. It's going good, guys. You guys can see. And then we're gonna also do the railing, and then the ledge there, and the railing down there. They're gonna put their own spindles on. We're gonna get that all up to date for them to make it blend. And changing those out. Beautiful day out there today, guys. So if you guys are out there, it's beautiful weather. Got their edge of there. And this is the other floor that we haven't started on yet, but we're gonna take all this off and get it back to raw hardwood so it can accept the new stain and new polyurethane. This is the standard 2 1/4 board. And if you guys haven't known that, just look there, and that's really gonna tell you if it's 3/4 thick, it can be sanded. If it's layers, it cannot be sanded. So that's what that engineered or the LVP, that stuff cannot be sanded. It has to be at least 3/4 thick, or a 1/2 inch, but most times often than not, 3/4. So all right, guys, we're gonna do up into here and also into the closet. They're gonna put carpet in here, but we're just doing up to the hallway. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you wanted a quote or us to give you a quote on your hardwood, give us a call. You can check us out on WeCanSaveYourFloors.com, 618-593-8102. We'll give you a quote. I know a lot of my clients watch these videos. Appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe and follow, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook, for more content and valuable information to protect your floors. So we're also gonna potentially do the HVAC cleaning. I did give them a quote on that. So we're gonna clean out all the stuff. It's also good anytime you do in your remodeling or floor sanding. But all right, guys, so other than the floor sanding and recoat, this is a restoration service. We also offer other options like screen and recoat, clean and buff, or wax removal. Those are maintenance, but this is restorative. So a lot of times, guys, if you have sun damage, you want to change the color, or you have water damage, you need a full sand, stain, and recoat. But if it's on site, if it's pre-finished, the only thing you can do is just, do the same thing. So hope that helped it. Hope that added value to you. Don't forget to hit the bell. This is going to be a good one, guys. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, so my sanding team sanded it down, and we realized that we have two different species of wood. We got red oak and white oak, and they wanted to go with special walnut, but that still would not be uniform. So we did decide, we recommended a dark walnut, which, guys, 99% of the time, that will hide anything, whether it's imperfections, water damage, different tones like this here. But my main tech wants to speak to why it's different. And here he is. So Jerry, he's my main guy. So explain to everybody why is that different and how can we blend it in?
Step back here, you can take a video of it. See the two-tone in now?
See that two-tone, guys?
Yeah. One's red oak and one's white oak, and they should not mixed it up.
Yep. So we're able to troubleshoot that as a team, and we did recommend to the client a dark walnut. And guys, after we did a little test patch that Jerry did, and he said that it just looks great. So if you guys run the situation, we do have a solution on this situation. And again, we're just restoring it so they can put it back on the market and sell it. But this is a two-tone wood, so that's why it's important whenever we sand it that we recognize pre-existing what this is. So to make this blend, a clear coat will not do that. Any lighter stain will not do that. So you have to go with a darker walnut. And that's what he did. So anything you want to speak to that, Jerry? Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, you're dead on the money.
All right.
Look at the difference from a distance.
Yeah, that's so crazy. See that difference, guys? You can see that on camera. That's why it's so important whenever you do have to get your floors, sanded, and you have any kind of difference in the wood species or any kind of imperfections or water damage, you have to go with a dark walnut at a minimum. And we decided to do that, and that's going to make everything uniform. And then we're going to do a satin sheen. So guys, little tip of the day, if you guys have AO take care of your hardwood, this is what we do when we finish it. Otherwise, to make it perfect, you have to replace all the boards. But in this case, we can dark walnut and two coats of poly. AO, let's go. Don't forget to hit the bell. You can visit our website at weeklysaverfloors.com or give us a call, 618-593-8102. Thanks for watching.
This one might see me come out of the closet.
Well, you're on video on this one, so you're definitely coming out of closet.
Hey, look at this. I got Jerry coming out of the closet.
Secrets out. All right, guys, the team are at it. Check them out. They put the stain on as we speak. They're putting dark walnut, as you guys can see. And we are in the kitchen area. Look how beautiful that's looking, guys. And this is just the stain. This is not the protection yet. But you can just see kind of an idea of what to expect. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for some final results. They're going to coat tomorrow, then Monday, the second coat, and it'll be it. Stay tuned.
Look how nice that mirrors are going to turn out there and turn out super.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, he's seen you first.
All right, guys, they just got done coating the stair banisters in the shelf. This is the second coat. It is wet, obviously, but when it dries, it's gonna dry to a satin sheen. Look at that, guys, all that detail, popping that wood grain, dark walnut. Looks absolutely stunning. Look at that, guys. I love that, so beautiful. Looks like a tiger. Got that done. It's a win. AOCleaning team did it again. All right, guys, you can see we already coated this area. It's ready to go. We taped it out so we have an easy line. All right, guys, you can see we already got started coating. This is the second coat of poly. Remember, it does go on shiny, but it will flash off and dry to a satin sheen, which is very beautiful and our most common. We did tape it off so we can actually have an access point. We can exit out and make it uniform. So look at that, guys. Beautiful. Check on the team here. As they're coating. Beautiful.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
All right, guys, we got that coated. Kitchen, living room. And we'll tape this off because we're going to come out the exit into the foyer area. Team's at it. Get ready to apply it.
It did darken up pretty good.
All right.
Just got a lot of
Stay tuned. Need a service, reach out, 618-593-81. Beautiful, beautiful.
Spent a lot of time to get it, but we did it.
Sure. All right, guys, we're finishing up. As you can see how beautiful it is. It's gonna turn to a nice satin sheen. Beautiful dark walnut. Got everything to match, even though this right here was different wood species. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So we're gonna work our way out, and that'll be a wrap. All right. All right, guys. AO did it again. That's a wrap. Client's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, check out these beautiful hardwood floors with a special dark walnut. Absolutely stunning and amazing. The client's gonna love it. Check it out. Got these floors looking like brand new. Amazing. If you want this, give us a call. 618-593-8102. All right, we're gonna do a live video. First impression of these beautiful dark walnut floors. Take your shoes off real quick.
Wow, it looks amazing. So much better than before.
Absolutely.
So this used to be, this was what, white? We had white oak and
That-
red oak?
That was white oak. This was red oak, and this was UV damage, and this was a stained pre-finished. And we got it all look uniform with the dark walnut.
It looks amazing. So glad we went with dark walnut.
Absolutely, absolutely. It gives that rich, elegant look. And just look how it pops. Shows us natural wood grains. And look at the banister and the railing, rich looking, nice and smooth.
Looks amazing. Yeah, you guys did an amazing job.
Thank
Quickly,
you.
too.
Absolutely, appreciate that.
Let's walk in here.
Check it out. Feels good on your feet, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Very even. Beautiful. Thank you
Appreciate
very
that.
much.